Party people! Man, what's up, man? It's your boy Big Cat, man. I'm back on the video. I wanted to do a real quick video. This is not a part of the show. This is just something I want to put out right now through video because I think video works, all right? This is kind of like I guess you could say a challenge. And this is for everybody, not just truck drivers, but this is for everybody. Everybody that follows me, and everybody that follows you, and everybody that follows that person, and so on and so on. What I want to try to do is try to do something worldwide, okay? I want to try to get the word trucking, hashtag trucking, trending worldwide, all right? So we need everybody to participate in this challenge, everybody. So you will have to tell everybody you know. This is not just for truck drivers. Obviously, I would love to see truck drivers get involved in this and let's just get it done. I mean, this is something small right now, but we can build it up, make it bigger, and get it trending worldwide. We want to have a voice. This is kind of the way you start having a voice. The more people that you can get involved in something small and make it bigger, the bigger your voice is. And then you can start, people will start listening to what you got to say. So if we can get the word trucking trending worldwide on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, every time you post something, just put the word trucking in there. I believe that a lot of people around the world will start looking at it and be like, hey, why is this word why is trucking trending? Let's see what the truckers, or let's see what the trucking industry, let's see what's going on. Let's see what they're talking about, okay? And then people will start recognizing, and people will start talking to you, talking to me, talking to everybody, and see what's really going on out here, all right? We do have a voice. We have a big enough industry that we can get this done. So I really believe that we can. You want to know how we're going to do it? Now, this is how I believe that we can get it done. If we have everybody tell everybody to tell everybody else. Basically, we have drivers, we have people that are a part of this industry all over the world. So if we can get this spread through social media with your Facebook accounts and Twitter accounts, and so be it, to every time you post on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you post social media, to make sure you include the word trucking, hashtag trucking, all right? Like say for instance, maybe you want to, maybe your post is about trucking. Maybe you put, oh, I love or I enjoy trucking so much, or I enjoy hashtag trucking so much. All right. Or maybe it's totally not about trucking. Maybe I'm Indiana and I'm about to shut down, or I'm about to go see my family. I'm hungry or whatever. I'm homesick. And then go to the bottom of your post and put hashtag trucking. All right. So the more people that we get on the internet or on social media talking about trucking, or even mentioning the word trucking or hashtag trucking in their posts, the more that this word trucking will start trending. I would love to see the word trucking, this trending on the internet, period, on Twitter, Facebook, whatever it is. Okay. Twitter drivers, I highly recommend you get on Twitter. I know we got Facebook on lock, but Twitter is kind of weak when it comes to drivers. We have a lot of companies, we have a lot of business associates, people that are connected with the trucking industry, foundations, organizations on Twitter. But when it comes to drivers, we're very weak on Twitter. So Twitter is just as big as Facebook. And it's not that hard to use, all right? If you know how to post on Facebook, you can use Twitter as well. So I highly recommend you get on Twitter. If you have a Facebook page, connect your Facebook page to Twitter and vice versa, all right? So the more people that we can get doing this, the more people will start doing it as well. It'll be like monkey see, monkey do, all right? And it will travel around the world through social media, and then before you know it, boom, trucking will be trending. Everybody around the world is going to want to know what's going on with the trucking industry. Why is the word trucking trending, all right? There's power in numbers. There's power in people, all right? The more we talk about it, the more people are going to want to see what are we talking about over here in the trucking industry. You see what I'm saying? So let's do it. Let's do it, y'all. Y'all think we can do it?